Lake County is an absolutely wonderful place. We have these magical downtowns.
You might pass a mom and pop store. You can look out the front of the library and just about see Lake Michigan.
We have such a diverse community. People of all races and ethnicities, all gender identities.
There's a broad base of people that have, and then there's a broad base of people that are in need. And as we saw the effects of COVID-19, the needs became even more apparent.
2019 versus 2020 is night and day. It feels like a war zone.
For every one Caucasian person that had COVID-19 here in Lake County, there were 5 African Americans and 9 Latinos.
We immediately formed these 2 community partnership groups to reduce the disparity, and that really all comes down to what we call equity. Each of those communities needs something slightly different to get the healthcare that they need, and now to be vaccinated for COVID-19. Once we had the policy and the procedure in place, we then built the technology around it to support that, and that is what AllVax is.
AllVax had to be a great tracking tool on how many vaccines we've given out, how many of which vaccine to get in for second doses.
When it comes to vaccine orchestration, having a single source of truth is the most important thing. The CDC changes their information almost daily now. Our system has to be able to respond to that. Our system can talk to other hospitals, to pharmacies, to businesses and their HR systems. And so we're able to get this 360-degree view of our community members.
Were they a first responder? Were they a factory worker? Were they a school teacher? Because that was going to put them into a priority list. We had zip codes that were very hard hit. We want to get those people vaccinated first.
The Salesforce platform allows us to do that in a way that is seamless to our community members.
All these people were helped. It doesn't get any better than that. Doors are open, people are collaborating, sharing data and information. They're going deep into communities to support people where they are.
Which is an amazing thing, because that allows us to make sure that everyone who wants to get a vaccine in Lake County can get a vaccine in Lake County.
To be part of this response is such a privilege. You know that for every second shot we're giving, that's somebody less likely to get this, pass it on, and possibly lose a life over this. It's a happy day every time we come to this site to distribute vaccines.
We have been able to create transformational change within our community, and having families see the Lake County Health Department is our ally. And what they're offering in this AllVax is a trusted source. It's not the government and us, it's us as a community. We're going to make it. We're going to be okay.